Hey chemistry students, Mr. Etter here. Welcome to second semester, and this is the first lab for second semester where you will be looking at evidence for chemical reactions. There are 4 reactions in this video, and in each reaction you will be balancing the equation for the reaction as well as providing evidence that you know a reaction occurred. So let's just take a look at all 4 of them really quick. Here is reaction 1. When you play the video, you do not need to change the trial for this lab. You just need to watch one trial because we're looking for how do you know a reaction occurred. The data on the balance, that's something we will be doing in our next unit in a couple weeks. So you watch the video and observe the reaction that occurs, and we give you the reaction here. So your task is to balance the equation on question 1. And then on question 2, tell us what evidence there is that a chemical reaction has occurred. You can check more than one of these options for each reaction. When we go to reaction 2, again, watch the video, balance the equation, tell us how you know a chemical reaction occurred. You can choose more than one option there. And then lastly, for this question is a critical thinking question saying, well, what does the copper atom replace? Right, so copper in this reaction is replacing something. What is it replacing? And that is something for you to think about. Number 3. Notice up here it says the test tube becomes hot. Okay, that will be helpful for you later. And you will watch the reaction here. Here they take magnesium, slide magnesium into the hydrochloric acid, and they're collecting a gas down in this test tube. So here's the reaction. Balance the equation. How do you know that a reaction occurred? Right? What observations did you make? And then lastly, the bubbles are observed after the magnesium has been placed in the hydrochloric acid. What are the bubbles? Make sure you pay attention to the reaction and not just, you're not guessing here. Look at the balanced equation to answer this question. And lastly, number 4 is another reaction here where we're heating mercury oxide. Balance the equation. And what evidence do you observe that a chemical reaction has occurred? Answer those 10 questions. And you are finished with the lab for today. At the end of this lab, you should know how we know a chemical reaction has occurred. What observations do we make to see a reaction? With that, have a great rest of your day.